Good day, everyone. In the world of house construction, we often obsess over roofs, walls, and flooring, the parts that we see and walk on, but we tend to forget about the soffit and fascia boards, two of the most critical parts of your roofing system that you don't normally see. These are not just for aesthetic finish or adding to the beauty of your home's exterior. They serve a functional role in protecting your home from heat, moisture, pests, and structural damage. Let's start with fascia boards. These are the horizontal boards you see along the roof line, where gutters are usually attached. They hold the gutters in place and shield the edge of your trusses from weather exposure. Without fascia, rainwater, UV rays, and wind can slowly rot your rafters and cause the gutter to collapse over time. They're typically made of wood, PVC, or aluminum, each with its own durability, maintenance needs, and cost. Now, soffits are the flat panels installed underneath the overhang of your roof eaves. Their primary purpose is ventilation, allowing air to circulate in and out of your attic or ceiling cavity. Without proper soffit vents, heat builds up inside your roof, increasing your electric bills and damaging roofing materials from underneath. Soffits also block entry points for birds, rats, and insects. But here's where most Filipino builds go wrong. They skip soffits entirely to cut costs. They install fascia only to support the gutters and leave the undersides of eaves exposed. This shortcut may save a few thousand pesos today, but it leads to pest problems, poor ventilation, and long-term damage. Worse, it gives the house an unfinished look that affects resale value. Now let's talk about the importance of soffits and fascia boards. As we've mentioned, they're not just cosmetic add-ons, but play vital roles in maintaining a healthy and safe living environment. First, fascia boards protect the structural integrity of your roof. They act as a shield against moisture, UV radiation, and pests, which can cause significant damage to the wooden components of your roof over time. By securing the gutters to the fascia boards, water is efficiently channeled away from the house, preventing leaks and water damage to the ceilings and walls. The gutters and fascia boards work together to protect the fascia boards. UV rays and moisture. The fascia boards are typically made of durable materials such as wood, PVC, or aluminum, which are resistant to weathering and rot. However, regular maintenance, including painting or staining, is necessary to ensure their longevity. On the other hand, soffits are crucial for attic ventilation, allowing air to flow into and out of the attic space. Proper airflow helps regulate temperature, reduce humidity, and prevent the buildup of moisture that can lead to mold growth and wood rot. Additionally, soffit vents prevent pests like rodents and insects from entering your home through the eaves. Some soffit vents also act as intake vents for central air systems, ensuring that the air conditioner has sufficient air to draw in and cool your home effectively. However, many homeowners often overlook the importance of soffits and fascia boards until a problem arises. For example, some homeowners have opted to remove the soffits to achieve a more modern or contemporary look. While this may be possible in some areas with appropriate ventilation and pest control measures, it can lead to problems down the road. Similarly, neglecting to paint or stain the fascia boards can result in moisture damage and reduced lifespan. Soffits and fascia boards are essential components of a healthy, efficient, and resilient home. They quietly do their job until the day they're missing and it becomes your problem. So if you're building or renovating, don't overlook these details. Consult with your architect or builder to determine the best materials and designs for your specific needs and budget. Remember, investing in quality materials and proper installation can save you from costly repairs and potential hazards down the road. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to get notified when we upload new videos.